How to park a GoDaddy domain. So here we just want to load up GoDaddy, click on your name in the top right, and then we'll go into My Products. Now from the products page, we want to find the domain which we want to park. So for example, this one, and just click on DNS. Now from the DNS section, you will find an A record here that has @ If you don't have any A records with @ you will need to create a new one. But basically you should have one. So type A @ and we want to just click on the pencil icon here. Now the type we leave it as A @ and the value we need to change this to 34.102.136.180. If you click on save, then this will park your domain, and that's how you do it. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.